We're up on a pedestrian bridge across the motorway here because there's a new geocache just been put out.
It's an interesting cache. Come and have a look.
A webcam cache is a type of geocache that uses existing web cameras. The idea is to get yourself in front of the camera and save a screenshot from the website where the camera is displayed, then upload it to log a find. We love webcam caches like this one in Munich, Germany. And this one on Abbey Road, London. Unfortunately, no new webcam caches can be created, and there are only 223 left worldwide.
There is only one left in New Zealand. Tramyard has come up with a webcam look-alike. It has the feel of a webcam, although only a traditional. Let's look for it. It's only 144 metres away.
Okay, let's head off down here.
Yep. Nice area for the kids to play.
Yeah, nice basketball hoop. It's a nice walkway alongside the motorway here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Cycleway.
The planting's nice too, isn't it, with the flax?
Yeah.
94 metres.
Okay. I think I can see the traffic cam up the top there.
Okay.
You see that sign where it says Wellsford City Centre?
Yeah.
There's a white
yes,
thing
I
there.
see.
Maybe that's it.
Oh, good.
White camera.
Great.
Oh.
We don't often get the opportunity, do we, in New Zealand, to do the webcams?
No.
Well, it's not really a webcam, is it? Traditional, but
Yeah.
it's good. It's a good
Sort
fun.
of a webcammy idea. It's quite a neat idea that Tramyard's had for this cache.
It is. It's great.
Yeah.
Very good.
Well, I wonder if it's an LPC, if it's under that skirt for the light.
What's the
hint, Lynn?
Ground level, right-hand side.
Okay, so it's not going to be there.
There's a gap here.
Okay, just let me come in and see. Can you see the cache? Oh, I see a little bit of wood down in there.
It's a rock.
Right, good. We found it.
Yes.
Okay, let's on the log. Excellent. There we are. Corby first to find and Georic second to find.
Yay. This is an optional task. While finding this cache, why not upload a picture taken by the camera when at ground zero? Sounds good. Instruction on how to take a picture. Stay, pose at the published coordinates. Open the webcam page in your browser. Wait for your picture to show. Usually is taken every 2 minutes. Refresh your browser if necessary. Take a screenshot or save the image. Attach the screenshot or image to your log. Enjoy! It's got a pretty little picture there.
Cool.
It's nice.
Just like a webcam.
Yeah, it's great.
Without actually being a webcam.
Yeah, we'll do that, shall we?
Yeah.
Cool.
Excellent.
Log signed and photo taken. Let's have a look at the new footbridge here and an overview of the cache location.
Well, this brings us to the end of our cache walk. We hope you enjoyed the cache put out by Tramyard. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to go geocaching.